Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install iOS 14.5 Beta 4 profile on iPhone and iPad. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And before start, please don't forget to subscribe. First of all, we have to connect to Wi-Fi, then launch Safari browser and search for beta.apple.com and tap the first link. After loading the page, scroll down and tap Get Started or Sign Up. Here we have to put Apple ID and password or Touch ID to confirm. On the next page, scroll down and under Get Started, tap on Enroll your iOS device. And again on next page, scroll down and tap Download Profile. After a few seconds, a pop-up window will appear and we have to tap on Allow. Profile downloaded. Tap on Close. Go back to iPhone home screen and launch settings. Profile downloaded. Tap on it. Tap Install. iPhone passcode required. Tap Install. Tap Install. If you want to restart, tap Restart. If you don't want, tap Not Now and tap Done. Now, close all running background apps and launch settings again. Then tap General and tap Software Update. Here we go. We have iOS 14.5 public beta 4 and tap on Download and Install to get the iOS 14.5 beta 4 profile on your iPhone or iPad. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.